Cargos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our chrome detailed tow mirror built for any 2004 through 2014 Ford F150. This tow mirror is designed to be manual folding, and it has the same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. This tow mirror also has a puddle light and 2 integrated LED turn signals, one on the front and one on the back. It also has a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating. Measuring at 13 inches and the mirror itself at 10 inches by 8 inches, it is designed to maximize your road safety and visibility. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.